Now multiplication of matrices. This is a special type of multiplication is there. You have to remember this. Here matrix A is there. Okay, matrix A is there, in which number should be, order is very important one. So, we will see this. We are taking square matrix, square matrix. How to multiply it? Very time taking procedure. Slowly you have to understand that. First what you have to do, take a row, first row and first column elements, first column elements. Remember this, first row first column means what? 1 into 5, take a plus 2 into 7, 2 into 7. This is a procedure. If you follow this procedure for all, it is okay. So, first row first column is a element of first row first column. If you take first row second one, so you have to put first row second column. Now we are going to take first row with this. First row we have to write here only first row second element. We are giving in a product, we are taking this 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. This is second element of first row. Second column is first row is going to multiply with column, second column. So, this element is formed. Now, we are taking R, second row. So, second row we have to write here 3 into 5 plus 3 into 5 and 4 into 7. Again second number we are going to write of second row, that is 3 into 6 plus 3 into 6, 4 into 8, 4 into 8. This is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Very important one. Now simplify it. 5 ones are 5, 14, this is 6, 16, this one 15, this is 28, 18 plus 32. Now this is nothing but 19, add this to 22, this is 13, 3, carry 1, 43, 0, 50. So, this is a product of AB. Remember that product of AB is not equal to BA. Why? Because they change. The rows and columns will be changed. That is why product is not equal in matrices. Okay. If you order change, this also change. Now second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 7. Here see 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 2 columns. Here 2 rows, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 columns. Now see this, take first row, multiply with this, yes, possible. Take this row and again possible, this is again possible. So, here you have to observe that these are not square matrix, but condition is there. What is this column? Column of first matrix, you are multiplying like this, A to B, means what? You have to write the order, this, and B order is 2, 3. If column of this is equal to rows of R, second matrix, column of first matrix is equal to the rows of second matrix, then this cross multiplication or multiplication of A matrix B is possible. If these two are different, multiplication is not possible. We will see the reciprocal in reciprocal. Okay. If order is same, then it is okay. if rows and columns are same, that these and these if same, so C equal to R, multiplication of first matrix we have to write, this is second matrix. Okay, F for first matrix, SC is second matrix, then A cross B is possible, A cross B or A multiplication B is possible. Now, we are seeing a multiplication here, 3 rows 2 columns, here 2 rows 3 columns, column and row same, that is why multiplication possible. Now, we are going to write row 2 column, okay, this way, row 2 column, 1 7, 1 goes multiply with 7 plus 2 with 8 over first point. Now, second it goes with this also, 1 into 9 plus 2 into 10 again is there. So, 1 into 11 plus 2 into 12, all different number I have taken. So, easily understand what is going there. Now, second row is there, 3 goes multiply with 7 and 3 4 multiply with 8, this way and this, again 3 multiply with 9 and 4 multiplied with 10. Here again 3 we have to take, 3 multiply with 11 plus 4 multiply with 12. Again one more column row is there, so 5 into 7 plus 6 into 8, 5 into 9 plus 6 into 10, again 5 multiply with 11 plus next number 6 multiply with next 12. So, like this we will get this 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows, 3 rows are there, 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns, 3 columns are there. If see the product has 3 rows and the second columns, we have to see this is a way. So, these always see this number, these and these are in product, we will get that order, whatever order of the first matrix, first rows are there and order of the second matrix in columns we have to take. So, order of A rows will be same for column, in a product column of the column value will be same for second matrix. So, this is way we can get the matrix. Now, multiply and simplify it, 7, 16, this is 9, 20, this one is 11 plus 24, 3 7s are 21 plus 4 32, this is 27 plus 40, 33 plus 12 4s are 48, this is 35 plus 48, 6 8s are 48. Now, this is 45 plus 60, this is 55 plus 72, 6 12s are 72. Now, add these numbers, this is 23, this is 29, this one is 35. Okay. Add these numbers, so you will get 353, you will get 7 6 67, here 11 carry 1 8 81, here 13 3 carry 1 and 8 83, here we will get 5 and this 11 115, here we will get 7 12, that means 127, 3 by 3 matrix, A cross B, A cross B or A multiplication B is possible. Now, we are taking B into A. So, first we have to write B matrix, it has 2 rows, 1 2 3 columns, 1 2 3 3 rows, 1 2 columns. Again see first matrix column 3, here second matrix row, columns equal to row, yes, then only product is possible, we will get product, means we can multiply, otherwise no, not possible. Now, which type of matrix we will get, we have to see here. Okay. Now pick the first number, multiply with first row numbers with first column. 7 ones are 7 plus 9 threes are plus 11 5s are. One more column is there, so we have to complete that. 7 into 2, 9 into 4 plus 11 into 6. No extra columns are there, only 2 columns, so over all element with first row. Now pick the second row with first column. 8 into 1 plus 10 into 3 plus 12 into 5. Now go to that one. 8 into 2 plus 10 into 4 plus 12 into 6. So what is this value? 7 plus 27 plus 55. Here we get 14 plus 36 plus 66. Here we will get 8 plus 30 plus 60. Here 16 plus 40 plus 72. Now add this one, you will get the value. 5, 7, 7, 14, 19, 9 carry 1, 6 and 8. So it's 89. 4, 10, 6, 16 carry 1, 7, 10, 1, 11, 1, 1, 6. This is 98. 98. Here 8 and 7, 11, 12. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Now see that this 2 is a first B matrix row and this 2 is a matrix column. So this is our this here 2 and here 2. This is there. So this is 2. Product will be row of first matrix, column of second matrix. We will get a matrix like this. Now this matrix 3 by 3, this is 2 by 2. A B is not equal to BA. Okay, we will get different matrices. Multiplication is possible sometime it may be not possible. Here we have the same rows and columns, that's why we are getting. Sometime this will be differ, so we will not get the multiplication also. So A and product is also not equal. AB is not equal to BA. Now consider this example. A is 1, 2, 2 rows, 1, 2, 2 columns. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 1, 2 columns. Now A into B, check that it is possible or not. By seeing the order, we can say that this column and this is row are not equal. So product is also not possible. Product, taking of product is not possible. See here 1, 2, 3, 4 and other matrix are 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6. Take this number with multiply this first row. Okay, 1 goes to 1 plus 2 goes to 2. One number is left. This is a left. Without any number is there, that's why product A cross B impossible. We can't multiply this because C is not equal to R. C is not equal to R, that's why we are not getting product. If we take reciprocal, suppose we are taking BA, does it possible? We have to check that. Okay. Now we have to write 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6. Order 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 1, 2, 2 columns. B. A na. A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2 rows, 1, 2, 2 columns. Now see here rows, columns of first matrix match with R. Yes, it is equal. So B into A can be possible. Yes, multiplication occurs. Here does not occur. Here occurs. Now you can see, you want to see, you can multiply also. 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6. This matrix with 1, 2, 3, 4. Now multiply it. 1 multiplied to, I am writing here 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 3 over. Here again next column 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 4. No more column is there, so we will get 2 columns. Again we have to write here 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 2 plus 5, 4. Now 3, 1 plus 3, 3, 3. Next 3, 2 plus 6, 4. So over. Now we can see this. This is 1, this is 5 3s are 15. Here 2 plus 20. The next is 2 plus 15 and 4 plus 20, and here we get 3 plus 9 and here 6 plus 24. So like that we will get the solution. This is 16, this is 22, this is 17, this is 24, this is what is that, 3, 9, 12, and this one is 30. So like that 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, 1, 2, 2 columns, we got 3 rows. This just see here 3 rows, and the in product we have these columns. So first matrix is row value and second matrix is column value. So multiplication sometime possible, here possible, for AB not possible. So this is a how to multiply the matrices is over. Now we are going to do next things, special properties of multiplication. So if order is same, here A cross B cross C is always equal to A cross take product of last two matrices. So this is one property. Another one, if we are not changing order, that's why they are equal. A cross B plus C is there. So we can multiply like this. Take the A into B plus again A into C. If you multiply A with A, B and A with C and adding, you are also get take the sum first and multiply with A. You will get the same answer. Okay. If K is any number, then matrices like this A plus B, you can multiply it here also. You will get same value. If you add the matrices multiplying with K, or you are multiplying matrices first with K and taking sum, both are same. Next you can write for that K plus L, two numbers are there, one matrix is there. So K into A, again K into L, oh sorry, L into A, not K. K multiplied with A, L multiplied with A. If you separately multiply the matrices with K and adding, here you add the numbers, multiply with A, you will get the same results. More special one is there. A into I is identity matrix. A is any matrix, we have to take that order I matrix. I equal to A is always A. That's why I is called multiplicative identity matrix of same order as A. Same order as A. If it is 2 by 2, this is also 2 by 2. It is 3 by 3, it is also 3 by 3. And I should be a square matrix, then the A is also a square matrix. A into B equal to B into A, if and only if, and this equal to A implies that the product of AB equal to BA. Anyhow you are getting A itself, means B is nothing but a identity matrix. B is nothing but a identity matrix. Okay, these are the special properties we have to remember. Now determination of matrix is very important. one more condition. If we are getting product of AB is not equal to 0, okay, product, we are getting product as 0, but in this one A or B, either A or B need not be 0, B, either A or B need not be 0, need not be 0. If it is 0, multiply it, you will get 0, like that. It is not a number like this, 2 into 0 equal to 0 or 0 into 4 equal to 0. Here A is 2, B is 4. If you multiply with 0 matrix, we are get 0 in numbers. But in a matrices, being any number, we get the product also 0. Being any, taking any number, maybe the numbers, maybe this one is there, but the results of this may be 0, but these and these are not 0. Not 0 matrix means completely like this. This is a 0 matrix. If you take 0 matrix, then product of AB, anyhow this is there. But sometime we will get such a number that when we multiply and take the all simplify it, you will get 0. Answer should be 0, but matrices are not 0 matrix X. Remember that one. Okay. Product may be 0, but A and B are something different matrix, not this one. This is the special property you have to remember. Now, determinant of matrices. Determinant of a matrix. Okay, determinant of matrix. What is determinant? Suppose A is a matrix, A, B, C, D. A is a matrix, A, B, C, D. The determinant of this is AD minus BC. This is called determinant of this. Okay, determinant of AB, a matrix A is AD minus BC. You have to take like this, product of this minus product of this. It is very important to find inverse of the matrix. Okay, inverse of a matrix. If determinant is not then if determinant is 0, then inverse does not exist. Okay, if determinant is not 0, if it is equal to 0, inverse of A matrix does not exist. If determinant of 0 is not equal, determinant of A is not equal to 0, inverse exists. Okay, these are the points to remember. Now, inverse matrix. Here we have to do. Okay, what is inverse matrix? A matrix, if A is a matrix, the inverse of that is AD minus BC. We have to change elements like this. Okay, if A is given like this, A, B, C, D. So, first we have to take determinant 1 by AD minus BC into interchange the letters. A goes to place of D, D comes to place of A, and the B values and C values same place with negative sign. So, A inverse is this. So, we are taking one, A is our matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, check that A inverse is exist or not. So, A is what? 1, B is what? 2, C is what? 3, D is what? 4. Now, AD minus BC we have to check. AD is what? A 1, D is 4, B is what? 2, C is what? 3. So, this is 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. So, 1 by this value, this is nothing but minus 2. So, inverse exists. Now, interchange 4 negative of B, negative of C, A. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 minus of 1 by 2, minus we will take up. So minus 1 by 2, 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. If you multiply it, you will get the number minus 4 by 2 first element, minus 2 by 2 second element, minus 3 by minus 2 third element, this is minus 1 by 2, this is element. Acha, here minus is there na, minus minus we have to write here, 2 minus are there, this minus, this minus. So here no positive and 1. Now we can simplify it again. So this gone minus 2, this gone minus minus plus, this also gone, this is 3 by 2, here minus 1 by 2. So this is A inverse matrix. And always we know that one property, special property is there, a matrix and its inverse, or a inverse matrix and A is always identity matrix. If you multiply matrix and its inverse, you will get identity. Identity is, but here square matrix is there, so you will get identity square 1 0 0 1. Let's multiply and check the results. Okay, we will see this one. Take these matrices, check the result. A and B, we have to take the same matrices and we will check the results. Now we are going to multiply A into A inverse. A is what? 1 2 3 4. B is what? B minus 2 1, minus 2 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 1. This is our, what is that, minus 1 by 2. This is our inverse matrix. Now we are going to multiply. First row, first column, 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 3 by 2. Now 1 into 1, first row, second column, plus 2 into minus 1 by 2. 3 into minus 2 plus 4 into 3 by 2. Again 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 1 by 2. Now simplify it. 1 2s are 2 minus 2 2 gone plus 3. Okay, 2 divided by this cancel. Here minus 6, 2 3s are minus 6 plus here this gone, 2 into this 6. Here 1, 2 2 gone minus 1, 3 and this gone, plus into minus minus, this and gone, 2 in 1s are minus 2. So what you have here results, 3 minus 2 1, plus 1 minus 1 0, plus 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus this 1, this is nothing but I. So we got that A into A inverse is a identity matrix. Similarly, if you multiply, put A inverse first and then A also, we will get same thing. This is also I. So we can write that A inverse into this, or A inverse first, A after that, again we will get identity matrix. Okay. So you will get B into B inverse is what? Means you have to write I, or this is nothing but B inverse into B is what? Again I. So like this we will get the bits also. And multiplication is inverse exists, B is a matrix, inverse exists, then condition for what? AD minus BC not equal to 0, then inverse exists, B inverse exists. If B is a matrix, then AD minus BC is equal to 0. Does B inverse exist? So you have to write B inverse does not exist. So okay, just seeing this condition we can say that the matrix inverse exists or not exist. Now we are going to check some rules. Okay, multiplication rules. See here, A inverse is over. matrices is over. Now special property A plus B transpose equal to what? Transpose of A plus transpose of B. Okay. One more property you have to see, transpose of A whole transpose is there. So again we will get A matrix only. Okay. Transpose of transpose is that matrix only. So similarly we can see, now we are going to solve some problems related to this. Now see, 2 5 4 3, 4a is what? First bit 4a is 4b is C and D is there. So 4 into A, 4 we have to directly multiply it. 4 2s are 8, yes, here these are 2 bits maybe. 4 5s are 20, here 40 is there, here 20. So this is your answer. Check the other one. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are minus 12. So C is your bit. 4 2s are 8, so we can cancel this. Why? Because 4 2s are 8, 8 not there, and 4 2s are 8, 8 not there. So this is not your matrices. These and these are solution, because first we got the first value, second we have to check 4 5s are 20, here 40. So this is not your answer. So this is your answer. Logically we can do like this. Now second, if matrix A is there, then determinant is dash, bits are given. We know that determinant is what? Determinant of A is AD minus BC. A is 2, D is 3, 6. BC, B is 5, C is 6. Now multiply, 2 3s are 6 minus 30. 6 minus 30 is minus of 24. So this is here D. Now if A is 5, 6, 3 P and data is given 22, find value of P. Again we have to find the value of P. We know that data is what? AD minus BC. A is what? 5, D is P, minus B is 6, C is 3. Now this value is given, that is 22. So this is nothing but 22 equal to 5P minus 18. So move this number this side, 5P equal to 22 plus 18. So this is how much? 0 for 40. 5P equal to 40. 5P equal to 40. P equal to 40 by 5, that is 8. P should be 8. Somewhere else you have bits 5, B 8, C you will get 10, D maybe none. So our answer is B 8. Like this we can find the solutions. Like this we can find the solutions, and also we can solve the problems. Be careful while multiplying. Thank you. Over.